When you list the pair of congruent triangles, remember on Friday or whatever, Tuesday before we left, we talked about the angles of similar triangles are equal. They are congruent, the corresponding angles. So I'm going to do what we did in the old days, and I'm going to put the triangle GHJ underneath here. And to list the three angles is pretty easy. So we have angle D is congruent to angle G. Everybody see why I'm doing that? Because they're right above each other. Angle E is congruent to angle H. And angle F is congruent to angle J. And then I'm going to, there's F and J with 3 tick marks, D and G with 1 tick mark, and H and E with 2 tick marks. The 3 sides on the left triangle, DEF, are DE, EF, and DF. Everybody see that? Those are the 3 sides. So now we're going to just put them with who they go with. Who does DE go with? Look below DE on that circle, DEF, GH. Somebody else, who does EF go with?
HJ.
Very good. And the last one, DF, who does that go with?
GJ or J.
So we know in similar triangles, the angles are identical. And in this case, if one is 59 and one is 35 in both of the triangles, the third one has to also be equal because they have to add up to 180. So we know that a triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Everybody get that? And now we're going to find the scale factor. Well, I'm going to put the DEF under here. And remember, they're not always in alphabetical order. I don't really like those problems because it doesn't make you think. So AB is similar to DE, right?
Yeah.
So 6 over 4 equals, now BC is 9, and that's the same as EF, 9 over 6. And then we have 10.5 over 7. I want you to take your calculators and put each of those fractions in your calculator and hit math enter and then watch what happens. So they each equal 3 halves. All right? So that is your scale factor. Everybody get that?
C.
That is your scale factor, is 3 halves.
I just put 2 over